So to install your B-pillars, they've got this. They look like this. You got these clips here. These clips and that dowel, locating dowel, line up these holes. Loud noises. That hole and those two. So what you're gonna do first to get this on is you're gonna need to adjust this down. I've got this one adjusted. Then we're going to slide this under. And then slide it under. It goes on. Helps if I have the right pillar, not the left pillar. So here's the right pillar cover. Let's get it adjusted with our and this goes up. Let's pull our weather stripping back. Let's pull this weather stripping back. No. Alright, with the weather stripping back, it goes up, lines up, and it just pushes on. So we line that dowel up. Okay, got it lined up here. I got those lined up. Pop, pop, and pop. Smack it into place. Then we're gonna put our weather stripping up, like so. A plastic piece.
The cover on this side?
I have it. It's part of the A pillar. They're broke on the old ones. That's where I got the whole one. That whole, or I'm not, sorry, C pillar. Yeah. Yeah, I know. That's why I got it. The whole thing. Now this will come up. And then that goes on. Now, what did I do with my bolt? My big nut. I have a nut. I have a nut for that. You seen the copper nut that goes on the seat belt? What do I do with it? Let's go see. Here's the nut. So you have a bushing nut like this. They're blue Loctited on. I don't think they need to be blue Loctited on again, so I'm not going to. There's still example on there. These are 17 millimeter on my particular car. They tighten up, just like that. Okay. May I see the impact down there? Please and thank you. Put my, sorry, trying to do this one-handed. Put my 17 on, and just go to town.
It's on auto, so it shouldn't overtighten.
Well, I mean, there we go. There's that one. Now, I think that is this side. And it's gonna go through here. Like so. And then it's gonna slip down on. And let's see. be. Hold on.
Well, I was bringing it around that pillar.
So, was trying to get this off. So, place this one clip here. Where's my screwdriver? It's over there. Okay. Just work it with our fingers. Thank you. So, we'll get that off because I already got one in there. So I got that popped off. Now, this should line up with this, line up with that. Nope, that needed to be on. Put that weather stripping on, dude. Yeah, it hugs around the weather stripping. What did you? Oh. Let's pull it back off because it's just snapped like so.
Well, the weather stripping wasn't on.
All the way down. Yeah, goes all the way down. All right, now this will come around the weather strip. There we go. Pop into place. It needs to go under this one. And yeah, that's the same type of clips as like the A-pillars. It goes. I need that weather stripping. That weather stripping's gone. So I need both front weather strippings. How's the back look?
I need to clean this one out.
Well, I know that, but the car's been sitting for a long time. Yeah, back weather stripping looks fine. We don't worry about that yet. All right. I'll take it to the power washer and clean that out. I just first wanted to get it drivable. So I think I'm obtaining. All right. And then we just snap our seatbelt cover. It just snaps right back. Like so. Adjust our seatbelt up. We are done.